Hey everyone, this is Matt with My Model Y Adventure, and today we are going to be replacing the dual motor performance badge that's silver with a new black one that I got from Pimp My EV. So I'm going to kind of walk through the steps to remove the existing badge, how to clean up kind of the residue that's left, and then install the new one. All I've done so far is taken some green painter's tape to kind of outline where the badge currently sits, so that way when I put the new one on, I know exactly where to place it. So a couple things you're going to need besides, of course, the new badge, which you can pick up in the link below and use the code ADVENTURE for 15% off. I have just some generic floss. We're going to try this. You can also use like fishing wire that's clear, you know, that's the smaller gauge stuff to help remove this. I have a generic heat gun that I got on Amazon. I have some isopropyl alcohol, alcohol to help clean up any of the residue. And then I got this attachment for my drill to help remove the actual adhesive. So the first step that we're gonna do is to use the heat gun to go ahead and heat up each of the kind of letters here. I'm gonna start with just the word dual first, then grab some of the floss and try to remove that. So let me plug in the heat gun and we can get started. All right, so I got the heat gun plugged in. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. I'm just gonna kind of go back and forth over the word dual. Don't want to stay in one place too long. We're just really trying to loosen up the adhesive. So when we use the floss, it should be able to hopefully kind of cut through the adhesive that's on the letters and in between the car. All right, it's been about a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Grab my floss. That one just kind of ripped. All right, let me try getting a different piece here that's a little bit longer. This floss is just ripping. I don't really have the good thick floss. This is just a generic one that my son got from his daycare for dental day. But you can kind of see the D is moving. If this does not work out, I do have some fishing tape around here somewhere, or some fishing line, I should say, that I can grab. Yeah, I might have to do that. All right, let me go find that and I will be right back. All right, well, I was able, the D that's for on the dual motors was kind of loose enough that I was able to just peel it off with my finger. And you can kind of see the residue that's left behind, which don't worry about. We have that attachment that will help remove all of that. So I'm just kind of reheating this so I can continue on. Now let's try that. You can see this one just went right through it. Able to remove the U. Get some more right here. Oh, I'm just gonna peel the A. And lastly, the L. Perfect. So we have the word dual removed. I'm gonna go ahead and get the heat gun and just kind of reworking through to remove the word motor and then the silver performance badge. So give me just a few minutes to complete that and I'll be right back and then we can get to cleaning. All right, so you can see the dual motor and the performance badge are all removed. I do have then the cleanup tool here that I got from Amazon, and we can go ahead and start to remove the adhesive. So just to kind of show you what it's doing, I have removed that. Let me get some of the alcohol here. And I just have a shop towel. But you can see it's basically removing the adhesive with the drill attachment and just using some alcohol to clean up any residuals. And we'll go back and when I'm done removing the rest of the adhesive on here, I'll clean it up with the isopropyl, however you say it, the alcohol, and then the shop towel, and show you the finished product before we put the new badge on. All right, so everything is all cleaned up. The badge that you order, there's 5 different types that are available. They all come with the performance badge down here. So if you just have like a long range, standard range, and you don't have a dual motor, you can go ahead and just remove the line before we attach it up here. So on the back is just some white tape. We're just gonna go ahead and remove that. Oh, there we go. All right, then I'm just gonna push in each of the individual letters. The same thing with the badge on the bottom. And then just give one good push. Oh, sorry about that. I accidentally stepped on the remote control for the camera for my phone. I didn't realize it had stopped recording. So I just, in essence, at this point, removed the tape that was around everything that marked where everything was. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the residue that's kind of left over here from using that wheel to remove the adhesive, clean everything up, and then kind of show everyone a finished product. All right, everything is all cleaned up all around it, all the residue, very easy to remove. I also had a microfiber cloth that I just used to help clean all of the residue up with. So very happy with kind of the installation process, having that template that the emblem came in, made everything very easy to align it, put it on. Very happy with it, and you know, for a little, like 20 bucks, 25 bucks for the emblem. I don't remember exactly what the price was. It's a really affordable option to black out the rear emblems of your car.